Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's your guys' favorite host, Isabella. And today we are going to be going over the 5 best apps to use if you're a rideshare driver. I'm about to put you guys on. Make sure to keep watching if you want to check out these apps. Number 1, of course, we have is Solo. Solo is a great app for rideshare drivers. There's so many amazing features on there, like mileage tracking, tracking your expenses, guaranteed pay. They can even help you with your taxes, so I definitely recommend doing that. We actually have a link down below in the description, and if you sign up with that link, they will send you $10 just for free. It's super easy to link whatever accounts you're using. What's great is that they actually have a free trial as well, but honestly, even if you end up paying, I'm guaranteed that you guys will make that money back. Just make sure you're an active driver on any of these rideshare apps or delivery apps, and you know, you can get that guaranteed pay and make that money back. Number 2 is Gas Buddy. Gas Buddy literally provides you instant savings without having to upload receipts. Like, I know there's apps where you can get gas and do all that, but you have to upload your receipts. It's kind of annoying to keep all of them. But with the Gas Buddy, you actually receive a card in the mail and you use that card to get your gas. That way everything is tracked for you and then you can get cash back. And this card is linked to your bank account, so it's really easy to set up. This is definitely easy because if you're a rideshare driver or delivery driver, you already know that you're filling up gas like all the time. Like, I know some people who be filling up like twice a day, and that's crazy. So definitely worth trying to save a little bit of money when you're filling up your gas tank all the time. Number 3, we have Play Octopus. Play Octopus is absolutely amazing for providing good entertainment for your passengers, which could and most likely will increase your tips. So if you're a Lyft driver or an Uber driver or any rideshare app where you have passengers coming into your car, you can sign up. We have a link down below to get a Play Octopus tablet, but if you apply and sign up, they will send you a tablet completely for free. You don't have to pay anything. Like, there's really no reason not to do this, and it's super easy to hook up. In the back of your car, there's like a Velcro strap that you hook up to the back of the passenger seat, and your passengers can just go on there. They can play games. There's little driver profiles. They can get to know you. They can even win their own prizes like Amazon gift cards, and at the same time you can also make money. You can make up to an extra $100 per month by just having this tablet running in your car. You just need to be an active driver. If you're at least like a part-time driver, you should be able to get it. But yeah guys, again, we have a link down below if you want to get your tablet. I highly recommend this. It's a great conversation starter, great way to earn some extra money, and great way to increase your tips. So another app that I think all drivers should get is Swagbucks. And you might be wondering, like, what does Swagbucks have to do with driving? It doesn't really have anything to do with driving, but if you're a driver or a delivery driver, you already know that like you spend a lot of time just waiting around. Like, there's a lot of downtime where you're just waiting in your car, you're waiting for the passenger to show up, you're waiting for the food to be ready to get picked up. You're just waiting, and Swagbucks is a really good way to kill time while earning some extra cash at the same time. The way that it works is that you can actually earn points that can be redeemed for money and gift cards just by like shopping, playing games, watching TV. So, you know, you can play some games on your phone while you're waiting, and then you can make a little bit more money. All right, and number 5, we have Honk. The Honk app is great for if you need roadside assistance. You know, you're gonna be driving all the time. This puts a ton of wear and tear on your car. There may come a time where you'll need roadside assistance. Hopefully not, but you know, it happens. So if you get Honk, they have 24/7 customer service, and they'll provide you with fast service, whether you need like a jump start, a tire change, you need your car towed. They shouldn't leave you stranded for very long. This is super easy to use. You know, you just tap a few buttons on your phone and you can get your roadside assistance that you need. They also have very transparent pricing, so they're not gonna like hit you with random hidden fees that you weren't expecting. You'll see it up front right away. Anyways guys, definitely check out these 5 apps for drivers. I will have a link down below if you want to sign up for Solo or you want to get a Play Octopus tablet. Again, with Solo, if you use that link, they'll send you $10 for free. So anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment if you know of any other apps that are good for drivers, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.